In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Steam points. If you're new to Steam points, think of them as a simple way to personalize your Steam presence. They're a reward you can spend on cosmetic items that change how your profile and chats look without affecting gameplay. You can't use them to buy games or DLC, and they don't give in-game advantages. They're purely for style, expression, and a bit of fun across your profile and chats. To find where to use your Steam points, head to the Steam store and open the Points shop. If you're using the Steam client on desktop, you can also get there by going to your profile, clicking your points balance, and selecting View Points Shop. Both paths take you to the same place, and you'll see your current points total right at the top, so you always know what you can afford. Inside the Points shop, everything is organized into categories to make browsing easy. Profile backgrounds let you set a static or animated image behind your profile page, giving it a distinct look the moment someone visits. Animated avatars are looping images that replace your static profile picture with motion and flair. Chat effects add visual enhancements to your messages in Steam chats so your posts stand out in conversations with friends. Profile frames sit around your avatar on your profile, adding borders that can be subtle or bold depending on your taste. Stickers and emoticons are used in chats and community posts, giving you expressive visuals you can drop into messages anytime. Finally, seasonal badges are special cosmetics tied to events. They're a great way to mark participation during limited time seasons and add a festive touch to your profile. A few tips as you browse. Use the preview features wherever available so you can see how a background, frame, or avatar looks before you spend points. Keep an eye out for animated items if you like motion. They're marked clearly and can really make your profile pop. Seasonal badges and event collections may be time limited, so if something catches your eye during an event, it's worth deciding before the season ends. And remember, everything you see here is cosmetic, so choose items that reflect your personality and how you want to present yourself across Steam. That's the core of how to use Steam points. Open the Points shop from the Steam store or through your profile's points balance, then pick from backgrounds, animated avatars, chat effects, profile frames, stickers and emoticons, and seasonal badges. Have fun customizing your look and making your Steam profile feel uniquely yours.